Okay, got the new Ride1Up Taurus e-bike. Really sweet. Look how pretty that baby is. I love the color on this thing. It's got fenders. That right there is awesome. It'll stop you from getting wet in the rain. It's a class 3 e-bike. Really love it. Ride1Up. Been doing a lot of research on this company. It sits up a little bit more. It's more like a cruiser. Seat is very soft. Really nice seat. No issues there. But the more important thing today is this. Me and little bud with the little chunk. Hey bud. And we are out on the bike right now, zipping around the neighborhood, and little bud absolutely loves it. So come right along with me and Buster in the little chunk backpack is what it's called, as we test out our new e-bike. Ready, Buster? He's ready. Let's go. So this bike has a cadence sensor on it with pedal assist, and a pedal assist is really nice. 5 different levels of pedal assist plus a thumb throttle. So as you pedal, it'll automatically just kind of take off and give you a little bit of boost depending on what pedal assist level you're in. Also, it's got 7 gears, so you do have gears. You can ride it manually. Hey bud, look at him. He absolutely loves this thing. But we're going to use this a lot. Just zip around. Right now we're about 15 miles an hour. I've got the odometer down here. Uh-oh, puppy's over there, bud. So yeah, let's ride around here a little bit. Beautiful day out. Bluebird here in Kentucky. Cool. And we got a little bud. Yeah, bud. What do you think, bud? You love it? I think he really likes it. He's just going back and forth, all the smells. Bud.